video to show you the hair plaiting kit and what you will be purchasing. When you receive it, it will have a plastic wrapper over the top. I've taken this off just for the purpose of the video, and this is what it looks like. I'm just going to take away all the outside packaging just so we can see what's really on the inside and what matters. So the first thing that you'll find is a small note from me, and on the back you'll find all the product information, which I definitely recommend you have a quick read through. We then have the instruction booklet. Now this is what you need to do the plaits without using any video. So it has all 3 plaits inside. And don't forget, these are just the basics. So if you're wanting to learn how to do a French plait, don't worry, we've still got you covered. Because once you've learned how to do the 3-stranded braid, hop over to the YouTube channel and we will show you all the progression plaits going forward. So it's really, really handy and a really important guide just to give you all these key and basic skills of plaiting. We then have the extension board. So you've got all 3 extensions here on the board. You have a small piece of rope here to hang it from a door or whatever you so wish. Now you need all 3 braid extensions for the 3-stranded braid, but when it comes to the other 2, you only need 2 extensions. So just pop your finger on the middle of the clip, push it down, and that extension will just pop off. So it's really, really easy to use. And they're really good as well because not only can you use them for doing the braids, you can just pop them off and pop them in your hair for either a flash of colour or just to accessorise. We really hope that you love the plaiting kit. We've had so many lovely reviews and everybody we've seen so far has absolutely loved it. We would love to see your photos and videos. Please drop us a review and send us your videos or pictures. We really appreciate it. If you need any help or support, please do email us. We're here for absolutely all your needs. Hop over to the YouTube channel for not only plaiting, but for other hairstyles as well. Whether it's a half up, half down or a messy bun you want to learn, we've got your back.